Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to be playing some games on my HP Omen 17T. This video has been requested for so many times since I unboxed this computer sometime last year and I couldn't get around to it, but well, now we are here. Now the point of this video is not to show you how good a gamer I am, because I hardly ever play games on this computer. I basically just use it to edit videos. This video, for instance, I'm going to edit it with this computer, so it's just to show you how well the games perform on it. Quickly run through specs that matter. We have a 9th gen Intel Core i9 CPU in here. We have the 8GB dedicated RTX 2080 graphics card, and we have 32 gigs of RAM. So this is certainly a beast. If you haven't seen my unboxing video on this computer, go check it out. I'm going to leave a link somewhere here. Let's play some games.
Derek, it's a pleasure to be here. Anticipating a really good game today. The atmosphere is great. Certainly buzzing from the spectators' point of view as we head towards kick-off. Hopefully, we won't be disappointed.
Now Busquets. Artur. Suarez. In it goes! An early goal. No wonder they're celebrating. Lionel Messi. A delicious piece of skill. Suarez. And perhaps Griezmann. Was an important piece of defending.
Well, the stats don't lie, Derek. Barcelona controlling the play over the last 15 minutes. They've created a lot from mid.
Artur. And it's in! A goal for Barcelona. De Jong. It should be. It really is such a free-scoring performance. Just not. Witsel. Losing possession here. Well, the first 45 minutes have come and gone here in Catalonia. Busquets. De Jong. Advantage, and Burki acquits himself superbly. Artur has it. Griezmann. Outrageously skillful, keeping it moving dynamically. Suarez. Now Busquets. De Jong. Over it comes. Oh, he really bruised the crossbar. And Burki acquits himself superbly. Robbed them. Suarez. Teammate in support. And the ball is in the net.
That's all it needs to be, a fraction, and it was so close.
And the referee blows for full time.
Feels good when the plan actually works. Great job.
Off the mic.
Reloading.
Go to the last one.
Keep beginning ring countdown.
Hold tight. I got your back. Good work. We're inside the next ring.
Patching myself up.
Helmet here. Level 1. Mind those headshots.
I am repairing myself.
Contact.
The enemies are shooting. I have been downed. Hostile close.
Going to fade.
into the action right away. I'm not surprised. Kate, you're up.
Whoa, wait, I'm not ready. I had a whole thing for this song guy. I had the charts and pictures. You know what? One time, I get it all to... Gee, forget it. You know what? Just forget it.
I think this computer did very well in handling those games, even though it ran a little bit warmer than it should have. We had all the games we played today absolutely maxed out to their highest possible settings, yet this computer managed to spit out over 100 frames per second in basically all the games, so that's just amazing. Though the temperatures we got weren't great, they were pretty decent, because if you think about it, we have the Core i9 CPU in here paired with the RTX 2080 GPU. That's a lot of processing power, and that's always going to create heat. The CPU ran between 75 to 85 degrees, which is 20 to 30 degrees lower than what's considered dangerous temperatures. And if you did not know, these computers were designed to run up to 105 degrees before something bad happens, like an explosion. If you plan to buy this computer for gaming, which I guess that's why most people would anyways, I recommend you put it on a cooling pad. If you know how to replace the CPU, which is pretty easy on this computer, you can just go ahead to replace the thermal paste and drop those temperatures a little bit more. So anyways guys, that's been the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.